Hello and welcome to week 4, Hexter 5. Let's go through a quick run through of what the week's going to look like. Number 1, a reminder, please start working on your vocabulary assignment. If you haven't started, you should be thinking, this is going to be a lot of work. I better get started. So get started on it this week. There will be a question about this video that is graded. Okay, so make sure you watch the video. For the discussion post, there is a picture you're going to look at for 60 seconds. Answer the following questions after the picture is shown for 60 seconds. And all your post has to be is how you feel you did. Or just tell me how well you did on the memorization and observation. Okay. Copy and submit back to me by photo this wave's flowchart. So there's going to be a picture of a flowchart showing waves and what type are electromagnetic, what type are mechanical. Literally, just copy this on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, send it back to me. Okay, there we go. And then we get into the Doppler effect. There's a video. There's a short explanation of the Doppler effect. Then there's an assignment where you have to tell me the top 3 things you know now about the Doppler effect. Then there's a reading on sound and pitch. It's not too bad. Look at that. It's a couple paragraphs, pretty short paragraphs. Okay. There is a quiz, so take the quiz. Feel free to look through the questions if you like before you do the reading. And then there is a video and an activity on reflection and refraction. It's all self-contained right into this assignment here. So you play the video and then test yourself. And that's the week, guys. So let's do our best. Get started on that vocabulary assignment. Have a great week.